Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2025 Volkswagen Taos and I will show you how to enable or disable the blind spot monitoring system. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2022 all the way up to 2026, possibly even newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now if you look at the mirrors, you will see this icon right here, and when this icon illuminates, that means there is a vehicle in your blind spot. So that's what it is. Now to activate this option, you want to select the menu button on the main screen. Then you want to select assist system, and then you want to press settings in the bottom right again, and here it is, blind spot monitor. And to enable it, it has to be checkmarked. If it's not checkmarked, that means it's disabled. In my opinion, everybody should always have this on, just because it really helps you drive. Having this option doesn't mean you have to stop turning your head and checking your blind spot, but this is just one more safety feature that can be handy, especially if you're a bit tired, and it can save you from doing a bad merge or even causing an accident. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.